Hello everyone, today's video I'm gonna talk about Oracle Apex architecture. Oracle Apex version updated very rapidly. I believe most people are very confused about ORDS. Actually, ORDS is a web listener connecting web browser and the Oracle database from version 20.2. Wherever you are experienced or fresh developer, when you install Apex, you should depend on the project, which Apex version it requires. So we should know what web listener we will install. Take a look at this picture. From this diagram, we can see it consists of three tiers: web browser, web listener, Oracle database with Apex. It is very important for us to choose what kind of web listener. There are three types about web listeners: Oracle REST Data Services, Oracle HTTP Server, and embedded PL/SQL Gateway. What is the web listener? The web listener functions as a communications broker between the web browser and the Oracle Application Express object in the Oracle database by mapping browser requests into database stored procedure calls. You have a choice of three web listeners: Oracle REST Data Services, formerly Oracle Application Express Listener, is also called ORDS. Another is the Oracle HTTP Server, and the last is the embedded PL/SQL Gateway. Today, I will not introduce the specific details about web listeners. I just emphasize when and what web listener we use. Next, this is Oracle REST Data Service ORDS. From this slide, you can see the deprecation of the embedded PL/SQL Gateway and mod PL/SQL was announced in Apex 20.1 version. At the beginning in Apex 20.2, these web listeners, two listeners, the embedded PL/SQL Gateway and the mod PL/SQL, are no longer supported, with the only supported web listener being Oracle REST Data Service ORDS. ORDS is what Oracle uses for all deployment of Apex, apex.oracle.com, Apex on Oracle Cloud, Oracle Store, and more. You can deploy and run ORDS in WebLogic Server and Apache Tomcat, and you can also run it standalone using embedded JT Server. From this diagram, we can see three web listeners options and compare them from many aspects. I would emphasize if you want to create RESTful web services, you need to install ORDS. From this aspect, we can see ORDS can support, and the other web listener don't support the web service. Okay, this video is done. Thank you for watching. Next video, I will talk about the installation of Oracle Apex based on ORDS. See you next video. Bye.